I got a rescue disc. I don't know if he can get a hold of this disc or not. Where did they enter in? Did you walk in from here? I'm going to try to send this out to you, okay? All right, you ready? I'm going to see if I can get this to you. Send your pup here. Will she come to me? Ruby, come here. Come here, Ruby. Come here. Will she get a hold of this? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Ruby. Come here. Here, can you take that? Call her. Call her. Get a hold of that disc. I need you to kick your feet. Kick your feet back. Bring your feet up to the surface by kicking your feet. Keep pulling on that disc. Keep pulling on the disc. Kick your feet. Keep kicking your feet. Pull, pull, pull. Are you out of the water? Are you out of the water? Central 7394, will you give me the channel? He's out of the water. Oh. Grab that disc. Just stay right where you're at. I'll keep pulling him. Just stay here. Just stay right on your belly. Keep your hand, stay right on your belly.
Out of the water.
Ruby! Ruby, come! She's tied to her. I know, she's tied to me. Is it Ruby?
Yeah.
Ruby, come!